Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to another PAPERWERKS credit video. I wanted to put this out here for people who may be thinking about credit repair or enhancing their credit or trying to get ready for funding or get funding for business. But primarily my guys who are about to go on the credit repair journey. So what I'm suggesting you do before you even start. But before I get into that, I want to first ask you guys to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. The more thumbs up I get, the more this will circulate to help people. So let's get into it. What you guys want to do is add positive credit, new credit to your report. And so I know you might say, well, I don't have no credit. I got bad credit or very little. I just came out of bankruptcy. I was dismissed from a bankruptcy. I had a repo, charge off, bad student loans, whatever the case may be. There are some accounts that are going to be under the video and the links also at the website www.paperworkscredit.com. Also, you can see some of the other videos there, some of the work we've done, helping people get approved and so forth and so on. So, but these particular accounts, you guys can get approved for pretty much almost any status of credit. So it will build your credit, help you get to a 700 score before you even think it's possible. It could be within 4 to 6 months or even sooner. So I want you guys to check those links out. Again, these accounts will give you credit limits anywhere from 1,500 to 5,000, which are pretty good credit limits for someone with bad credit. And then also for anyone that's trying to get higher limit credit cards. If you only have a credit card 300, 500, 1,000, these will help you and get you ready to get higher limit credit cards, especially if you're over 30. You know, 5, 7, 10,000, or even higher range. So, like I said, you know, bad credit is okay for these accounts. No, they are not cash accounts. These are rebuilder accounts, accounts you can use like household products, electronics, jewelry, stuff that you could use right away or and give away as gifts. So you had a bankruptcy, dismissed bankruptcy, late on your accounts, repos, charge off student loans, issues, it doesn't matter. You should be able to get approved for these accounts. You would know within 24 hours, if not right away on the site. So again, like I said, the links are on the website. These are new trade lines, not aged trade lines. So these will help you in the future. They'll stay on your credit for years, so you're good to go. So why would you add these new positive trade lines accounts to your report? You don't have any positive credit. Let's say you do credit repair. You're going to have a 0 score because nothing's there. Or a very low score because if, you know, everything you have is negative, you know, it's an issue. So you want to remove that. And even if you have one positive account left after credit repair, you still need, especially if you're over 30, you want to show 4 or 5 positive accounts. Also, you're getting ready for funding. I know everybody's trying to find the fast route, adding seasoned trade lines, authorized users, which those can help. Um, but you want to get or line yourself up to get ready for funding. You know, like I said, some people have the energy. I got to have it now, right away. And, to be quite frank, it's costly because time costs. Time is very expensive. But like I said, we'll have more products on paperworkscredit.com, kind of outline the whole procedure, kind of demystify what you're doing so you can have a exact plan of attack and a timeline. So we'll be bringing that out very soon. Adding positive trade lines, new trade lines can get you to the 700s quicker. And then, of course, you're rebuilding credit. Even if you have negative credit on your file, lenders want to see something new that you've been paying on time, because I see credit reports all the time, personal and implied, 30, 40, 50, 60. I've even seen people with over 100 inquiries because they're just hoping and praying somebody will say yes. But what you want to do is add some new credit. Even if you don't clean your credit and you have some old bad credit, it is a better chance that you'll get someone to say yes if you add these accounts that I'm suggesting to you. Somebody may give you a chance. So that's pretty much with that. Okay, for my funding and business funding guys, I get this question quite a bit. So when should I add authorized users? What are they? These are simply accounts that are positive accounts that belong to someone else that can be added to your report. No, you cannot use the accounts. If the person pays the account late, can it reflect on your report? Yes, but normally these people are not because these are 800 credit score people, and even if they did, it can be removed because it's not your account. These accounts can vary from 400 to 1,500 bucks. Usually the minimum, someone over 30, 40, you're looking at price range probably closer to 6 to 900. 400 is probably more for a younger person starting out. Credit that's not as long or big. They're just getting started out. So hopefully that'll help some people, like how much am I going to need? And then how many trade lines? Well, depending on if you have any revolving or unsecured lines of credit, that means like personal loan, credit cards, obviously, line of credit, that will determine it. But usually, most people are going to need two, possibly three. But again, that would vary on the credit report that you have, positive credit on that report. So you want to go to the website, sign up, put your paid monitoring service login, not the free one. Not I got individual free accounts, not interested in that. Want to see a paid version so we can see your scores, see the exact situation with your report. So we can definitely help you with that. So some of the information, you guys, again, I want you guys to like, subscribe, share the channel. There's a hashtag right under the video that you should be able to click that to see the other videos, or you can go to the website. There's a video tab where you can see work we've done on different subjects. So people say, can you remove this? Yes, we removed everything. It's just a matter of how long it's going to take. Also, there's a tab for primaries, new primaries on the website, and we always update that, any new stuff, so you'll see that. Also, on the website, we have some new products coming out for you do-it-yourselfer type people. We'll have that for you guys, a couple of different products so you guys can get going. Already mentioned the credit monitoring, filling that out, making sure you put the website, username, password, last four of social. And again, I'm out of here, you guys. Just subscribe, hit the like button, hit that thumbs up so they can circulate this. Matter of fact, usually they send this out more to more people within the first 24 to 48 hours based on thumbs up. You guys have a good day.